Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some simple hairstyles, so watch the video till the end. So first we are tying the hairs like this, fix small sections together, tie them and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into small sections like this and make the plaits. First divide it into two parts and then take small section of the hairs. Join it together on the top, tie it from the bottom and fix it over the bun. Tie the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Take small section of the hairs from it and make the plaits like this. Now after that, fix it by rotating it around. Again make the plaits and follow the same step for few more times. Join the hairs till the end like this and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it as we are doing in this video. After that, we will roll it upward and fix it like this. So here we are making a bun, fix it using the rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides, fix it from the bottom by tying the plaits like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, fix this hair accessory on the hairs like this and tie it by tying the hairs, taking into small sections, fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take small section of the hairs from the sides and then tie it around the hairs like this. Fix it properly, roll it for 3 to 4 times and after that fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.